General Shah Khawar, appearing on behalf of the Federation, said he is under instructions not to defend the NRO.
Finally, it was decided that the Federation of Pakistan may not defend NRO in its present form before the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan.
Well, that was expected, I think, because under the circumstances that they were not able to put the bill before the Assembly, there was no way that they could defend this particular legislation. Now that means there is nobody to defend, as is normally the case. So I think the job of the amicus curiae like myself and others will become very important.
Parliament being supreme, and they will therefore accordingly make a statement in the court that we will not defend the NRO.
So that was basically your advice?
That was basically what I thought was my view.
So our submission is that this was discriminatory. An already privileged class had been picked out for further benefit and had been taken away from the normal investigation and prosecution processes that ordinary individuals have to go through.
Ms. Mavi Maman, the MNA of Pakistan Muslim League Q, the party which supported Musharraf for a long time and which also supported promulgation of this controversial law. Why this bold-face now? Why this somersault?
I don't think there's a complete somersault. There's certainly a very strong feeling that
you think it was a mistake?
I think reconciliation was the bottom line in those days.
At that time, there was an atmosphere of reconciliation because the general elections were there to be held, and that was a gesture on the part of that government. That was also on the pressure of the internal and external political pressure. That government even recognized that all the cases which were made against the politicians were based upon the political victimizations.
This law, as we all know, benefited many politicians, particularly President Asif Ali Zardari, leading to withdrawal of corruption and criminal cases against all these politicians. Being one of the founders of Pakistan People's Party and one of the beneficiary of this law, which is not legal as you say, is Mr. Asif Ali Zardari and Pakistan People's Party leaders. How do you see that?
I don't care whether Asif Ali Zardari benefits or thousands other benefit. I'm only concerned about the legality of the law.
If NRO would not have been there and there would have been no benefit of NRO to anyone, even then Mr. Asif Ali Zardari was totally qualified to contest elections as the President of Pakistan. And in the present scenario, if the NRO is no more there, the President of Pakistan has the immunity under Article 248(2) of the Constitution, which says that even the criminal proceedings could not continue while he is in the office of the President of Pakistan.
And if this is declared as unconstitutional, what is the immediate consequence of it?
Well, the cases and the investigations that were terminated on the 5th of October 2007 will stand revived. And also the cases that were closed on account of recommendations of the review boards, those cases will stand revived as well.
The Chief Justice also directed the National Accountability Bureau to produce within one day the details of all the names of people who benefited under this ordinance.
The Supreme Court has given me some direction and I'll convey to the chairman and I'll give the answer to
So what are these directions?
That I should give a full list of the cases in which how much of money was involved and how many money has been excused under the NRO.
And quickly, if you're not defending NRO, are you opposing it? That was Mr. Basir Qureshi.
We are not opposing the petitions. We are not opposing the petitions.
And you are opposing NRO?
We are not defending NRO.
And these are not past and closed transactions?
Thank you.
That was Mr. Basir Qureshi, lawyer of National Accountability Bureau, saying the Chief Justice has just informed him that he should bring all the total details of the total financial benefits gained under NRO by various people. Matiullah Jan, DawnNews, Islamabad.